Regions Bank Explore Visa Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. If you want a no-fee card that quietly gives you steady cash back, this one might be your hidden gem. The Regions Explore Visa offers cash back on dining, entertainment, and everyday spending, plus base rewards on everything else. There is no annual fee and simple redemption options. If you want predictable rewards without complexity, this card is a solid choice. Verdict: worth it for simple cashback users.